What's up, guys? I'm still on the BDR in New Mexico, and we got some amazing views. Just amazing. You won't get these roads or views from the road. Let's keep going. Let's see what we see. All this loose, large rock sucks. Just makes my front tire bounce around. But yeah. I'm guessing this is where most Instagrammers or influencers would stop to take a picture of their bike or whatever, but it's not really my style. So yeah, I almost didn't even notice them, because I was, just looking at that 20 feet ahead of me. Look at that. Gorgeous. Now that is beautiful. Stacking rocks. So, obviously people come out here, people see things, you gotta have the right vehicle. I don't know, certainly an SUV would get back here just fine, something with higher ground clearance. The roads have gotten, I don't know why I'm going so slow. Roads have gotten much slower or messier, I guess. So I would no longer recommend these roads for a Honda Civic. But certainly a truck or SUV, and I wouldn't even necessarily say that it needed four-wheel drive. Well, that's probably true. I need four-wheel drive vehicle, probably do. Look at that. Just stunning. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Oy, 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 oy. Just gorgeous. I don't realize you're this high up. How high up am I? 7,000 feet, or 6,700 feet up in the air. Nice. That's pretty cool. Very cool, actually. It is just beautiful. Fucking rocks. Oh shit. Got some people camping. Yeah, stunning view. but I can't. There's a nice wide view. Some 6,000 feet above sea level. Just stunning. Sure is. Well guys, I hope you get out there and see the world. If not, I hope you see some of the world through my videos, and I hope that inspires you to get out and break out of your comfort zone. And, I don't know, stop living in fear. Trust me, if I lived in fear, I can't tell. Other than people I've met on the road who have done the same thing, I don't know anyone back home that thought this was a good idea. That this is what I should do. Man, I almost want to just put up a tent for the day. Had I known, I probably would have tried to get here so I could tent up in this. Look at that view. Look at it. We're going down like a snail. This is not how you should go downhill. You should certainly go down with a little bit more speed. But man, oh man, oh man. That's the kind of views you hope for. Oi, oi, oi. Yeah. See? I can just put my tent right here for the night. What's stopping me? Time, I guess. I need to be in Seattle by March 22nd-ish. So I'm going to spend a week and a half with my friends up there. And then,